Yes. Example 1 is the sine of 75. Okay. Try it with your partner right now. See if you can do it. You're looking for two angles that either add up to 75 degrees or subtract to get 75 degrees.
Oh, true. We can still use that.
Sam, you don't have it, right?
I don't have it.
It'd be really funny if it turned out that Sam had it and he was just waiting for us to ask.
Yeah, because it's a plus, that means it's a minus. Because it's a plus and a minus.
All right.
Addie is in Hernandez. Who else?
Taya Olson
Clegg.
and Seth Lubinsky.
Hernandez.
That's five.
I start with Seth because that's the last class I had.
Okay.
And I haven't heard any complaints before
Okay.
this. Correct answer for this is going to be the square root of 6 plus the square root of 2 all over 4 so that you can check your answer when you finish. It's fine if you have the square root of 6, the square root of 2 first.
Remember, if it's a square root of 3, it means the other one, isn't it? If one of them,
Well, we have to finish this one, right? For
that means the other one is 1 half.
it's the big one.
The bottom one, yeah.
It's a 3. If it's a square root of 3, the other one isn't.
Do you like that kind?
It's hard. I feel like I look at all the numbers like 10 times.
It's a square root of 2, the other one is also a square root of 2. So,
Make sure you're working with your partner. No?
He said he left it on the desk. It's right there.
look at that. That's so funny.
Oh, you said it.
Why put it away? Thank you.
Yep.
How do you remember?
I know, and why not put it away then?
He just said, I don't have it. I'm like, okay, well, we're missing it. And then he's like, oh, wait. I just left it on the desk.
Yeah. What, do you guys have the sign from now? Neither of us have it. Did we write it down?
Yes.
We wrote that down yesterday. It's the bottom.
No, you did it today.
Oh, I wrote it under a different thing.
Oh.
This is Tina.
Do you remember a second ago when you pretended to check?
Left it empty.
Oh, look at that. We did that yesterday.
It's already biting them. I think I know.
I moved my name.
I know.
I thought we did that
You
one.
also looked at me?
Because I thought this was already complete, I thought we were just adding that.
Happy down.
Wow.
I already had it.
Three cards.
And you stink there. You're sitting there doing this. I'm like, compare and make sure you got it right. And you're like, got it.
Because I was doing that one.
I haven't looked at that.
No, I need that. You still have it.
All right.
Just waiting.
So we'll do the sign. You need to.
Cheers.
Oh, I just put a form in now. You need to.
Okay. Who's up for showing us? Hands up. Talk to your partner. Decide if you want to come up here. Why not?
I'll write.
1, 2.
I had that wrong.
2.
I had it wrong. So, right. Is this thing okay? Smart. So everything is mixed up. Sorry about that.
Okay, so it's sine of 75.
Oh, here's the
So-
answer.
What?
Oh, never mind.
Okay, so we want to do. We want to use one of the addition formulas, and we're going to do a plus b and do 30 plus 45 to equal our 75 degrees.
do that? Did everybody do 30 plus 45?
Yeah.
Okay.
So then, if we plug that into the equation, what do you-
30, 45.
there you go. So then, if we plug those in, so sine of or cosine. Wait, what?
Cosine of 30.
It's the square root of 2.
formula wrong.
Does he?
I don't know. I don't have it memorized.
It's sine, then cosine,
Yeah.
Oh, it's sine, cosine.
Okay, so
plus cosine, sine.
Okay.
okay, so then the sine of 30 would be 1/2. And then the cosine of 45 would be square root of 2 over 2. And then plus the cosine of 30, which would be square root of 3 over 2. And then the sine of 45 is square root of 2 over 2. Multiplying them out on the top. You can add them together, make the common denominator, and then answer.
Beautiful. Well done. Grab some prizes. Good job. All right. Next one I want to do with you. Example 2 is going to be the tangent of 7 pi over 12. Prize to the first person who can tell me what two angles are we going to add together to get 7 pi over 12? It's a race. You got to add fractions in your head.
Pi over 3 and pi over 4.
Yes, pi over 3 and pi over 4. If you add those together, you get 7 pi over 12. Let's just look at it quickly to make sure we understand. Pi over 3 plus pi over 4. What would we have to do to add those together? 12, common denominator. So this turns into what? 3 pi over 12, and this one's 4 pi over 12, which adds up to 7 pi over 12. So it's going to be tangent. See you later, Tegan. Thank you. Pi over 3 plus pi over 4, and this is a plus b. Okay. This is a bit of a refresher. Do you remember how to find the tangent of pi over 3?
Yeah.
How?
You divide the y over the x.
Right, the y over the x. I'm going to look at pi over 3, which is not in degrees, it's in what? Radians. And so I'm going to take, on the side here, I'm going to write the square root of 3 over 2 divided by 1/2, which is the same thing as the square root of 3 over 2 times 2 over 1, which is the square root of 3. And then for my formula, I need the tangent of pi over 3 plus the tangent of pi over 4, all divided by 1 minus the tangent of pi over 3 times the tangent of pi over 4. Okay. So I know that this one is the tangent of pi over 3. Really, Carter? And then we need the tangent of pi over 4. What's the tangent of pi over 4? 1, because it's the square root of 2 over 2 divided by the square root of 2 over 2. Same thing on the top and the bottom.